What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to customize the colors of your forum, of your community using bbPress WordPress plugin. I know this plugin is great, works for free, lets you create your online community, your forum, your topics, and it's awesome, but it does not let us to customize the colors, the sizes, and other important things. How to do this for free without coding is what you're gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, okay? To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin, enter with login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see this left sidebar of menus. Hover your mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, we're going to be able to see the option Search Plugins. Click and type BB Style Pack. BBP Style Pack. Click on Install now. This guy right here. Thanks Robin for a great plugin. Click on Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. All you have to do is click on Settings, okay? Now, we have a couple of options. There is a lot of things that you can do right here, but let's focus on forum index styling, okay? There is numbers to each section. For example, the forum size, the forum color is number 3. Number 1 right here, it's this section. Number 2 is this section. Number 3, this section, okay? So, imagine that I would like to change the number 1 background color. Add numbers, okay? You can select the background color right here. Or background image. Background color, even numbers, okay? You can set for topic headers another color. For forum headings, another color. And you can change the size in the case that you want as well. You can even change the font, the style. There is a couple of things that you can customize right here. All you have to do is match the number, for example 17, with the proper settings. You can save change and you are good to go, okay? Simple, easy, effective, and no needs of coding. Just remember to clear up the site cache to see the final results, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case you don't have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!